obviously your skin cells are gonna reproduce.
How?
Let's ask Shahab.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if you would be willing to explain to me. Just go over everything.
They say the cell cycle is hard, so let me teach ya.
Hello, can you teach me? I'm in genetics dreaming about getting an A.
How skin was made is an important thing. The cell cycle consists of 2 phases.
From interface to the M phase, each divided into different stages. Hello from the interface.
Here we have G1S and G2.
G1 is where the skin cell grew. And then we have the S phase. Her chromosomes duplicated. Then in G2, her skin cells prepared for division. After that, her skin cells were ready for the M phase. Hello, what's next?
It consists of prophase and metaphase.
In prophase, her chromosomes condensed.
And then it was ready for metaphase. Her chromosomes lined up. Wait, but we're still not done. We still have 4 more phases. We have the metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. During the metaphase, our chromosomes line up on the metaphase plate. Then we go to the anaphase phase, and that's where the sister chromatids separate and go to opposite sides. And then we go to the telophase, and that's where the chromosomes arrive at the spinal poles and the nuclear membrane reforms.
So basically, this is where you're making your DNA, you're replicating it into 2 cells. But it's still together.
We're not done. And then the last phase, that's when the cells separate into 2 different cells. And that phase is called cytokinesis.
Okay.
But now, I have a question for you. Why are my eyes brown? Phenotype, phenotype, genotype, genotype, phenotype, genotype, phenotype, genotype. What's a phenotype? I can tell you, they're observable. I can show you, that's why my eyes are brown. So let me tell you,
These brown eyes are homozygous, I'll show you.
Punnett square, where you at? Let me use you. First squares on each other, let me draw you. Mom on top, dad on side, then we have you. When I leave from each parent, now you have to. Genotype, genotype, genotype.
A big and a small B, so now what are you? Heterozygous, let me show you.
For a non-stop.
Oh, you doing dancing?
We can test it out.
Wait, stop the music.
Let's redo this.
So you're saying I got 2 alleles, a single allele from each parent, so a blue and a brown allele. Why do I still have brown eyes? Brown is dominant, so you can see the blue.
Unless your genotype is homo and small too, so now let me tell you.
Phenotype, 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 phenotype. Phenotype is the result of that too. The dominant will show up on you.
Brown is dominant, so you can't see the blue.
Phenotype, phenotype, genotype, genotype, phenotype, genotype, phenotype, genotype, phenotype, genotype.
What I learned is that my skin goes through the cell cycle. So my skin cells go through interphase and the M phase. So in interphase, basically my cell grows, and then in the M phase, it divides. And so one cell produces two, and then those two each go on to produce two each, and then it grows and produces more skin cells. That's how it heals.
Exactly.
So what did you learn?
What I learned is that the reason my eyes are brown, even though I have two alleles, one brown from my dad and one blue from my mom, is because I'm a heterozygous and I have a dominant brown and a recessive blue, and dominant is the one that will show. And that genotype is affects the phenotype.